Hi, my name is Nancy Park, and I'm going to build myself a craft filming studio. I'm very excited. So excited I forgot to bring some stuff. I only brought the camera and this tripod stand, so I'll be right back. There, I've added some lights. I read about and learned about lighting, how important it was, and these are diffused. So, next, I forgot the table to craft on. I'll be right back. Okay, I have camera, lights, and a card table, and I'm ready to go. I have several pieces of materials cut out to craft together, and I hope you follow along to watch me build what I think I need to for my crafting studio for filming it. And I thank you for watching this video, and here we go. I'm probably going to say this in every video. At the end, I want you to remember that you are loved.